You're making this big mistake on your YouTube channel and I want you to stop it now, okay? And I'm gonna share with you guys in this video how cards could be actually hurting your watch time. And you know on YouTube, watch time is absolutely king, so you don't wanna be making this mistake. In this video, I'm gonna share with you guys one of the biggest mistakes that people make on their YouTube channel with cards, and I'm gonna give you guys my strategy that I think will definitely help you increase your watch time and use cards more efficiently on your YouTube channel. It's coming right up. Guys, so welcome back. Listen, on this actual YouTube channel, we focus on doing videos to help you build your authority, 3x your influence, and automate your income leveraging video. So if that interests you, if that's something you want to learn how to do, then you're definitely in the right place. Click that subscribe button and also click the bell notification and join the notification squad. So let's talk about cards, all right? Now, cards, if you don't know what they are, they're pop-ups that come up over your videos, and it will help people to know, like, they can go and watch something else. I've seen cards where people will have, like, click here, are you a subscriber, right? You can ask questions, you can send people to a website. There's different things that you can actually do with cards, and so want you guys to know that first and foremost. But I feel like one of the biggest mistakes that people are doing when they're actually using cards is that they're just inserting cards anywhere, right? So just randomly inserting a card because it's a feature that YouTube gives us. And so I've seen a lot of people just have cards and have not really a strategy on how can you do this better? I would say when you first upload your video, you guys, just upload the video, right? Don't put a card anywhere in the video. Then what you want to do is see where are people dropping off on that video. So leave the video up for, a couple days or whatever. Let the analytics, populate and stuff. And then go in and see where are people actually dropping off on this video. So with cards, what you can do is if you notice that, say, people are dropping off the video at like 2 minutes and 35 seconds, right? Well, here's what you can do. Add a card around about that area and it'll keep people on your YouTube channel longer. So now it actually will make sense for you to have a card, because it is like, say you upload a video and you just randomly insert a card like anywhere, right? So say 1 minute and 32 seconds, you insert a card. Well, guess what? You're killing your watch time, because if the person is like ADD, like most of us are, and we see like a card come up and we're like, oh snap, I want to see that video. And now you've killed your watch time, because now I'm off to the next video. And yeah, you can say, well, Keysha, I'm keeping people on my channel. But hey, I say, listen, don't hurt the watch time if you don't have to. So I think that's a more effective way for you guys to use cards, is to really just kind of see where are people dropping off on my actual video. Let me insert a card and at least I can keep them on my channel longer. So now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, are you guys using cards, okay? And if you are using cards, what's your strategy? Like, what have you guys seen that is like really, really works on your actual YouTube channel as it relates to cards? I want to hear from you. Until next time, guys, be seen, be heard, but most importantly, you got to go and get paid on purpose. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.